Good morning, grade 12. Today, we're exploring mid-latitude cyclones. CYCLONE are large rotating weather systems that bring rain, cold fronts, and strong winds. A cyclone starts along the polar front. This is where cold polar air meets warm tropical air.
Mid-latitude cyclones form along the polar front, where cold, dense polar air collides with warm, moist tropical air. This temperature contrast creates instability. A low-pressure system develops as warm air rises and cold air pushes underneath. The rotation begins due to the pressure difference and the Coriolis effect, marking the birth of the cyclone.
Back to Catherine, warm air moves gently over the cold air. This forms a warm front with layered clouds.
The warm front forms when warm air gradually rises over retreating cold air. The uplift is gentle, creating layered clouds such as stratus and nimbostratus. These clouds bring light, steady rain and overcast conditions. Ahead of the warm front, temperatures increase slowly, marking the arrival of warmer, moist air into the system.
The cold front pushes in aggressively. It forces warm air to rise quickly.
A cold front forms when cold, dense air moves forward and wedges beneath warm air. This rapid uplift creates tall cumulonimbus clouds. The cold front brings heavy rain, thunderstorms, and sudden temperature drops. Winds shift sharply as the front passes, making it one of the most dramatic features of a mid-latitude cyclone.
Here, the system is fully developed. Both fronts spiral around the low-pressure center.
In the mature or fully developed stage, the cyclone's warm and cold fronts wrap around the central low-pressure area. Cloud bands and rain extend over large regions. The strongest winds occur near the center, and the circulation becomes well-defined. This stage produces widespread rainfall, unstable weather, and strong frontal activity.
The cold front catches up with the warm front. This forms an occluded front and weakens the cyclone.
Occlusion occurs when the faster cold front overtakes the warm front, lifting the warm air entirely off the surface. This process cuts off the cyclone's warm air supply, causing it to weaken. Clouds and rain still occur, but the system gradually loses intensity. Eventually, the low-pressure center dissipates and the cyclone decays.
Now, grade 12. Let's recap. Mid-latitude cyclones form along the polar front where warm and cold air meet. Their stages include formation, warm front, cold front, maturity, and occlusion.
Mid-latitude cyclones begin where warm tropical air meets cold polar air, creating a rotating low-pressure system. The warm front brings gentle rain, while the cold front brings heavy showers and storms. At the mature stage, both fronts spiral around the low. The system ends with occlusion, when the cold front overtakes the warm front and the cyclone weakens.
Okay, grade 12, thanks for joining us today. I'm Madam Shabangu. Until next time, happy learning.